following message is transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department. At approximately 9:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a child named Daniel Logan, he is 10 years old, a white male standing, date of birth, October 25, 2009, 3 feet, 10 inches tall, 82 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. He was last seen wearing a dinosaur shirt, red shoes and Jurassic World shorts, and he got kidnapped by a red furry puppet with big eyes, orange nose and a red furry skin. We don't know the person's name yet, but we will find out its name, and it may be a character from Sesame Street, and it is unknown why this person acts hostile and likes to steal children. Stay tuned for more information about this update. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department. The red furry puppet is now identified name as Elmo, standing around 5 foot tall, red furry skin, big eyes and an orange nose, and he killed the child named Daniel Logan. It is highly recommended that you lock all of your doors and windows immediately. If you see Elmo, call 911. Stay tuned for more information about this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Center for Disease Control. Elmo has released a gas into the air with these symptoms. These symptoms include nausea, headache, fatigue, coughing or sneezing blood, heart attack, diarrhea, bleeding from the eyes and nose, confusion, fear of water or possibly death. All residents of Boston is advised to stay inside your homes. Seal up all doors and windows cracked to avoid gas from entering your home. Shut all doors and windows. Remain calm at all times. Stay tuned for more information about this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department. Elmo has launched a nuclear missile, and it is expected that the nuclear missile will hit Boston in the next 30 minutes. Get inside a fallout shelter. If you cannot find a fallout shelter, go inside an underground shelter. Do not go outside as you will be exposed with radioactive. Grab food, water, medical supplies, a flashlight and a battery-powered radio for your shelter. Stay tuned for more information about this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Emergency Action Termination. All clear. Since Elmo have died of the nuclear explosion, you can get out of your shelter now. However, there is massive damage to the city Boston and it will take a few years to rebuild it. You can now continue to your program.